everyone, welcome to my channel. In celebration of his solo album, Golden, release, Jungkook logged onto Weverse Live to spend time with fans and also celebrate with them through a live stream. On this day, Jungkook treated his fans to live renditions of all the new tracks from his album, creating an intimate experience for them. Interestingly, the other BTS members, especially Jimin and V, didn't want the youngest member to commemorate this milestone alone. So, they decided to make an impromptu visit to his home during the live stream. Fans observing the live session were quick to notice messages from V in the chat. Messages such as, "Jungkook, hey Jungkook, look at the screen," and, "I'm going to your home right now with Jimin," certainly sparked intrigue in the fans. Despite V's continuous messaging on the live chat, Jungkook seemed to be non-responsive. This prompted V to shift the attention towards his own separate livestream session, where he unequivocally warned Jungkook of his and Jimin's impending arrival at his house. After realizing that V and Jimin were not joking but were truly on their way, Jungkook took a quick opportunity to thank his fans at the end of the stream and shared, "My Golden was released, so a lot more content will be released that I already made. Thank you for waiting for the album, and I'm always thankful to you every moment. I feel relieved now that the album was released. Either way, thank you. Don't forget. Without you, I wouldn't be able to sing, perform on stage, I won't be able to promote, or go on the radio. So, I should be more thankful." Jungkook concluded the live stream by saying, "I think I need to end the live because I'm worried. I don't know when they'll invade, when the two will come. They probably had a drink, so I don't know when they'll come in. I want to conclude this quietly." Fans who saw this adorable ordeal commented, "When Jungkook said he doesn't think he'll be able to rest is so hilarious. I think he instinctively knew the two Hyungs were coming." I burst out laughing. After Jungkook's live ended, I went to see Taehyun's 8-second live, and BTS is really hilarious when they gather. It's so cute how V is saying they're really going and Jimin is telling V don't interrupt Jungkook's live. It seems like the two of them were hanging out and decided to invade Jungkook's home. It's been so long seeing them together, it's so adorable. I get more teary-eyed when I see them together. I really want 2025 to come fast. This is so hilarious how V proved he's really on his way through Weverse Live. This is why I love BTS, and I love the Maknae line. What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.